beautiful stars, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to open up this coraline doll from Leica Studio, not spawned Christmas. So I'm going to be opening with my scissor, my purple scissor. I got this for Christmas, and this is like where Coraline gets her doll in a paper their YB gave to the mom to give Coraline, and the note says, "Hey Jonesy, this familiar?" But I'm gonna be opening up this Coraline doll. My sister got me. She is so pretty. Okay, so I had to pause it so I could take it out very nicely. Let's take out that plastic. Let's take her. I was having trouble taking her out. I was like, let me just shake her out. But I'm like, you know what? Let me not shake her out. Oh, excuse me, I almost burped again. In this clip, I had no nose painting, but my sister was gonna paint my nose on exam. So, I took her out. I had to move my stuff around. Look at her. She's so freaking cute. I love this doll. This is like my first time having this Coraline doll in hand. Look. Okay, so let's clip to take her out of here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I was having trouble clipping the back thing. I don't know what's the name of this back thing. But sorry if I sniffing a lot with I'm not sick, but my nose is stuffy right now. Yeah, I was having trouble cutting this out. So in another clip, I had to pause it and ask my mom for help. Okay, I asked my mom for help, and she cut it for me. Oh my god, look, she looks so pretty. So pretty, look at her. I love everything about this Coraline doll. Look, her button eyes, her outfit. It's so pretty. I have a little bit ASMR videos. I love it. But the hood does not fit her. And I am so mad that it doesn't fit her big ass head. But her arms is movable, her feet is movable. And I am going to see if the rain jacket is removable in a few minutes, seconds, I don't know when. But I'm gonna do a video. Dun, 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 dun. Now let's see if the jacket is removable. Oh my goodness. I love when clothes are removable of a doll. So let's see if it's removable. Okay, I'm trying to take out one arm at a time. So yeah. Oh my goodness. I am pulling that. I'm not pulling that hard. I took out one arm. It is removable from this doll jacket. It is removable. I love it when it's removable, so you could add another stuff on top of that doll. So yeah, let's see. Sorry, I'm just making music. It is removable. That's how Coraline looks like without her jacket. I'm giving you a 360 of the rain jacket. It has blue stuff. I don't know why it has blue, but you got what you got. It looks so pretty. The buttons. Everything looks so pretty. And this is what she looks like without her rain jacket. And I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to make her sit down. I moved some stuff. And yeah, you can see her sitting right on my shelf on the back. You can see. Okay, so that's what she looks like. And she looks so pretty. And she looks adorable. I love this Coraline. It's my Faith. Wait, this is what it looks like, and I love the detail on this. Go. Okay, I'm trying to make her stand up. Stand up. And let's see if it works if I try to make her stand up or not. I mean, I do that because it's so annoying. Okay. Yeah. It's not really working to make her stand up. So that's what the back looks like. That's the front looks like. She is adorable. Adorable. Orbs. Now let's put her back into her rain jacket. So yeah, I was having a little trouble putting her back inside her rain jacket, but I got the hang of it to put it back in. I love everything about this coraline zone. Okay, you hear me sing. I'm not too good at voiceover. Yeah, I'm not too. Now let's put her back inside. This is what she looks like back in her rain jacket. And yeah, so I'm trying to sit her back down with her rain jacket. Oh, I dropped a bracelet. Dropped. Dropped. That's what she looks like. I put my bracelet back. That's what she looks like. And I adore this coraline so much. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if this is the end, but that's what she looks like. I am in love. I adore this coraline. And I did speak. I did keep her inside the box so I won't get dust on her. So that's what the box looks like. That's the back of the box. The box, the back. That's the side of the box. And that's the logo name. This is from Leica Studio. Leica Studio. And yeah. And that's from Leica. Sorry, I'm just making right up song. Just singing. Coraline with the cat. So yeah, this is. I think this is the end of this video. I'm not sure. Okay, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye.